When we're negotiating no money down, negotiating no down payment, you know how I don't like to say nothing down? But I just want to look at negotiating no down payment. You just heard Lynette read this script. Okay, so the purchase price will be blank, and the monthly payment will be blank, or we'll covering your monthly payment, whatever you say there. So the way it works is that you'll get your first check from us when we start making monthly payments to you after we close. You understand that, right? Okay, that's really, really important. Did you say we're buying your house for nothing down there? No. What did you say? You said the first payment you're going to get from us is after we close when we start making monthly payments. You understand that, right? And if they say, yeah, I understand that, then there's no down payment, obviously. They just told you the first payment is the next monthly payment. This is the smartest way I ever figured out to do this. And to not say no down payment. All the scripts are like this. You guys know that if you have the what to say. So that's a really important one. Now, if they don't completely grasp that, that's okay. If you go out to the house and they all of a sudden say, well, I do need a little money down or something, and if they say it right on the call, then I'm okay. If you're going to go into this, and I know like Lynette likes this, generally on this type of transaction we pay nothing down or very little. You can decide whether to pause there or not. Okay, so if you know you're going to get a bunch of pushback because they said, oh no, I need a huge down payment. If they said, I need a huge down payment, and you say, generally on this type of transaction we pay nothing down or very little, don't pause there. Just keep going and say, well, if we did come up with something down, what's the least you could take? Is that the best you could do? Okay, so you're just getting to the point and seeing if they're in the game or not, or if their ask is going to be massive. Now, if it's massive, then you go to the objection answer section and you say why, and you get into the reasons they need the money and all that. That's how you're going to do the no down payment.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.